Schneider electric APC battery backup. This is the 1500 volt hour, 900 watts, 164 minute runtime. Ten outlets. Some have battery backup, some have surge. You can also put in your network cables, your coaxial cable in and out, your USB and serial. This is the BX1500M. It's made in the Philippines. Pretty well packaged inside. It's got corrugated crate interlocking with the sides. Wrapped in plastic. Comes with the unit, comes with a coaxial cable, comes with a cable that has a data plug-in cable with a USB on the end. Has a manual that we'll go ahead and take pictures of real quick. Shows you how to put in the battery. Also comes with a safety information guide. It's 18 kilograms. All right, to put the battery in. Pull up the front. Flip it over, put it in. All right, so we have it plugged in. You see here that we have 0% load. That has a little button right here that you can scroll through and see everything about it. So you're able to see that it's coming out 121 volts. It's got 60 hertz out, in 121 volts. Has one event that was logged. Currently with zero load, it would have 594 minutes available. You see here that there's a little load bar. The battery is here, and it shows that the battery comes fully charged. All right, now we're going to plug some stuff into it. Now with my current load, it says that I can run 7 to 8 minutes in a power outage. And if we look here, it says that I'm running 506 to 514 watts. 57% of the load. So what I can do is I can see if I can cut my load a little bit, getting different kind of monitors maybe. But one thing that I really like is that it will give me the opportunity to be able to save or shut things down if the power goes out. So it'll give me at least 9 minutes with my current load capacity, and I have everything hooked up to this. If you see here, I've got tons and tons of things going on. I've got 2 monitors, I've got my microphone, my charger, I've got the broadband, and I've got the broadband plugged into the back of this here, as well as my desktop. So we're supposed to have a big storm today and tomorrow, so let's see how it does.